Namaste, Om Namo Narayanaya. My name is Martin Dimitrov, or Madhuchanda, spiritually called. I come from Croatia, country in Europe, famous for being second in the last World Cup in football. I come especially in India this time for visiting 95 Divya Deshams organized by Sankara Yatra. 95 Divya Deshams are especially important for me because these are holy places which are glorified by great saints of South India like Kulashekar, Acharya, Nama Alvar, Andal, and all other incarnations of Krishna's divine symbols. We know that all Alvars are incarnation of Krishna's Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma. These Divya Desham temples are especially important because they are Vaikuntha on this planet Earth. Tirtha in Sanskrit means also door. As through door we enter to our house or to some temple, through the door of Tirtha we enter Vaikuntha, we enter spiritual dimension. Tirthas are especially meant that we get the spiritual experience of God, of Bhagavan, and give Him our love, our prayer. Another meaning of the name Tirtha means water who is not so high. We know, for example, when Ganga or Kaveri is big, we cannot cross her by walk. But if you have small water down, you can easily walk over. So a Tirtha, water of this material existence, become very little. So we can easily walk to the spiritual level. So in this Divya Desham tour, I'm very much looking to enter in this Vaikuntha atmosphere, where I can connect myself to my Lord Krishna, who is manifest in many different forms. Thank you very much to Sankara Yatra for organizing this tour, and I am so happy that I will be part of this group and search for my blessings. Thank you so much.